Halacha number 3. To what extent does the prohibition of Lashon Hara apply? If a person asks his fellow, where can I find the fire? And then tells him, where else can you find the other than the house of so-and-so? He has plenty of meat and fish, and they always cook in there. This too is type of Lashon Hara. Arachim 15b. Commentary. So let's read, and we actually learn it in detail. So let's see. Although the person who has simply responded to a query and directed his fellow to where he can find the fire, he has done so in a manner that indicates a derogatory message about another person. That he is the person who is self-indulgent and constantly involves with food. See, Maharsha to Arachim. So there is another point that I want to bring about this story from the Talmud. So this person asked, like, and it was good, normal question to ask. Not everybody had matches or lighters at that time, so people preserve the fire. They preserve the coals, and then they would start next fire from these coals, and you can preserve coals from a very long time. I think. I mean, for many hours. If you know what you're doing, you cover them with like a metal thing, and there are holes, so it's going to preserve these coals. Okay, no problem. So basically, this person asks, where can I find the fire? Right, to borrow to get a small coal, right? To start my fire. That's, I mean, it's a good question. So this person say, go to the house of this and that, because they always cook, right? So, and why also you say it is forbidden, right? Because it depends how you said it. So if you said it because if he was like implying that they are self-indulgent, that's a big issue, right? That's very negative. But he could have said they always welcome guests, and people come from all over the place, and they always host people, and people stay over for 2 days and 2 weeks, and sick people and people who cannot afford like hotel, motel, well, they always stay by them. So it may mean that this would be the greatest praise. That's why you need a lot of food, right? And you need to cook because maybe you have 20 extra people in your house, right? So you need to cook for them, and people eat at different times. So it would be actually a compliment. So it depends like how you present the story. So in this case, they imply something negative, but it could mean something positive. You don't know. Okay.